The reason why the Articles of Agreement of the International Monetary Fund prohibit the use of gold as money is because the money that we are now using, which has come from them, is bogus, it's fraudulent, it's haram. But if gold and silver were to come into the market, their money will collapse. Bogus money cannot survive alongside real money. That's why they had to prohibit the use of gold as money. It is so simple. And when they replace gold and silver with their bogus money, they are able to manipulate the value of that money.